If you're thinking about purchasing from Underground Printing, there are a few important things you need to know before making your decision. Whether you're a small business, a school, or just someone looking to get custom apparel printed, Underground Printing has a lot to offer, but it's not without its nuances. So, let's dive in. Next thing you should know is that Underground Printing specializes in custom printing for apparel, but they also offer other products like custom bags, drinkware, and promotional items. They're a solid choice for schools and organizations, thanks to their variety and experience. While they do have competitors like Custom Ink or Printful, what sets Underground Printing apart is their emphasis on both the customization process and customer service. Their design tools are user-friendly, and they'll help you with every step of the order, whether you're printing a few shirts or running a large-scale order. Another important thing is the quality of their products. From my experience, Underground Printing offers some of the best custom apparel in terms of fabric quality and print durability. Unlike some competitors that can sometimes leave prints fading or cracking over time, Underground Printing uses high-quality inks and premium fabrics, ensuring that your designs will last long after the first wear. If you're looking to get some custom merchandise, the quality here is definitely worth considering. The fourth thing to know is about the turnaround time. Underground Printing offers some impressive delivery times compared to its competitors. Depending on your order, they can have your custom products printed and delivered in as little as a week. While other companies might take longer or have additional rush fees, Underground Printing's ability to turn around orders quickly and without hidden costs is a big plus. Now let's talk pricing. Underground Printing is generally competitive when compared to others in the industry. Their prices are not the lowest, but they offer great value, especially when you factor in the quality of the materials and prints. One thing I really appreciate is their transparent pricing model. What you see is what you get, with no surprise fees or unexpected charges popping up at checkout. Other companies can sometimes have hidden fees for things like setup or design revisions, but Underground Printing keeps it straightforward. One of the best features of Underground Printing is their customer support. Their team is incredibly helpful throughout the whole process, whether you're designing your product or have questions about your order. They've got a dedicated customer service team that makes it easy to reach them, either by phone or email. This sets them apart from many of their competitors, who don't always provide clear or accessible support. The next thing you should consider is the range of products available. Underground Printing offers everything from custom t-shirts and hoodies to hats, bags, and other promotional items. This variety makes them a solid choice for businesses, schools, or anyone in need of a range of custom products. Other companies might limit you to certain items or styles, but Underground Printing's expansive catalog allows you to create exactly what you need. And lastly, Underground Printing offers free mock-ups and design assistance, which is a huge advantage. If you're not a design expert, don't worry. They will help bring your ideas to life, often at no extra charge. Many competitors might charge you for design services or mock-ups, but Underground Printing includes this as part of their service, making it more accessible for individuals or teams who don't have a professional designer on hand. If you want to try Underground Printing for yourself, I've got a great deal for you. By clicking the first link in the description, you can access the best free trial and even some exclusive benefits. So, before you go, make sure to click that link to get started with Underground Printing and experience the quality and service that sets them apart from the competition.